guys, so today ay event ng Honor, launching ng Honor X9 C5G. Dito tayo sa Soler ngayon and bakit tayo? Check natin yung event ngayon. Okay? 2, 3, go! Okay, ayan. Oh! Buhay pa!
Siyempre buhay yan!
Honor X9C, Squid Game Edition. Squid Game Edition.
Okay. Yan, okay.
Hi, ako po si Max. Good evening, I'm Joker, and together we are First One! Tibak sa'yo. Don't you feel good? Don't you feel... Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Hello! Wow, ang liwanag. Di mo kayo nasisilaw sa ulo mo, no? Really? Give yourselves a big round of applause. I can barely see him. Hi! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the grand launch of the Honor X9C 5G. A big round of applause for this lovely event tonight. My God. Yes! Thank you all for taking the time to be here. Good evening sa inyong lahat. Also, let's please give it up for first one and Kaya. Give it up for them. Lovely, talented group. Masaya. Sasali ka, sir. You think you can do this? Yes? Yes? I can see it. I foresee it. Sino yung mga pikon sa Mobile Legends palakpakan? Thank you. Be proud of your emotional instability. Yes. This phone is for you. Right? Yung carry mo, walang kwenta. This phone.
Absolute honor and privilege to welcome each and every one of you to the highly anticipated launch of the toughest smartphone of 2025. And this is the Honor X9C 5G. Now, this evening we come.
Our Honor X9C 5G is the third generation product that will further push the recognition for Honor as a durable and reliable brand.
All new Honor X9.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pilot speaking. We are now having at the
So, moment of truth.
Bukas pa ang screen. Of course, may mga scratches, given yan.
Why? This phone, Honor X9C survived the ultimate challenge.
Now, the toughest phone with all angle triple defense will be available for 16,999 pesos. What an incredible price for an outstanding durability. Still, outstanding durability, reliability, battery life, camera optics, and so much more. Guys, we made the price still at this category, and we are going to dominate this price category. Plus, of course, this is a pre-order period for you and for everyone. Pre-order from today until January 24 and you will get an Honor gift box for free. Of course, we partner with industry financial providers and telco operators so you can get the Honor X9C 5G with ease. Get the Honor X9C 5G for as low as 24 pesos a day through Home Credit. You can also avail the Honor X9C 5G 12 months 0% interest to major credit cards. And lastly,
Very special today, kasama natin siyempre yung encourage natin. And then, parang G, siyempre, talagang yung kapi niya. Bumunta natin si Sir Steven, may promotion nata sila sa company nila. Gusto niya kumuha ng isang game just out ng fruited bezel and jubilee bracelet. Kaya tayo ng mga accounting business with us, check niya kung ano yung mas mabagay daw sa promotion nila. And then, bibili daw sila, kaya puntahan natin. Tara, sige mo tayo dito. Miss maging corporate, pare. Napopokami ang daan ko. Wala ko lang simula, kaya tip na lang papel. Yun, Ayun siya, mga Steven, kamusta? How are you? How are you? Kamusta? Sasta? Ang ganda naman ang combo mo. Bigay niyo sa akin ngayon. Uy, ang ganda bigay namin sa'yo. For the record, guys, galing din kay Jeffrey ang combo na.
Ganda naman ang taste nyo.
Ay, pare, syempre, di kami basta-basta. This one, you're getting for Christmas party nyo.
Actually kasi ako natuloy siya si Honor there in the Philippines.
Okay.
So basically, we want to give someone a brand new Rolex. So basically, pamamigay namin to one of our lucky customers.
Raffle na si Raffle. Any lucky customers nyo, nationwide to ba? No, you're it out to one lucky winner.
Yeah, we have a campaign kasi ng January. The phone kasi is actually inspired by Rolex. Being durable, yeah, this is the phone that will be
Pero
launching in
parang
January.
all ng dati yung trending yung binabalik-balik.
This is the next version of it.
So ito, matibay nito. Ah, kanin. Parang nilaglag, sorry.
Inspired by Rolex.
How much are you selling this for?
We're selling it for 69.
8999. So parang 17,000. Ah, inspired siya dahil sa fluted bezel. Okay. Okay. Kaya pala sabi mo gusto ko date just yung fluted bezel. Ano yung makita yung box, brother? Ano yung na-miss ko? Na-miss ko. Okay, drink. Ay, problema ko more. X9C, 5G na yan. Ang bilis niyang po, mas pabilis pa sa elevator na. Ilang RAM yan? 36 megabyte. Kidding aside, 12 gigabyte yung RAM yan. Kung na pwede na mag-Dota. Pwede na mag-Dota. Pwede na mag-Viber. Oo, ano na, pwede. Kaso naman,
phone, actually, a couple of days ago, nag-testing kami videos and testing the durability of the product.
ang face mask po, kasansanan pa ng COVID to eh. Boom.
Actually,
Pero bro, yun na yung age nyo talaga eh. Drake, wag ka naman talagang pa rin. Ito na lang. Mamakit pa si Idol.
ako rin yan eh.
Nakapatay ko, Idol, tabalog na yung cellphone lang.
So we shot this 2 days ago lang ata.
Boom. Ito dapat yung mga binibigay sa mga anak. Hindi na mabasa. Kasi yung material na ginagamit nyo rin matibay talaga. Especially glass. Si Rolex yung bagsak ng second floor, basta ganyan, hindi. Ano naman, yung water resistance niya.
2 meters, sir. Actually, we have videos as well na niluluto namin siya. Hindi siya na-isler.
Oo, inong-inong. Yun o, yun ang racket. Una agad, cellphone agad.
So, alam mo, I can truly say that this is the most durable smartphone of all time. As of 2025, magka-launch na ito next year. Ang ganda ng isang libo.
Oo, AMOLED na siya, di ba?
AMOLED.
AMOLED. AMOLED na yun, bro.
kung mawalan ng kuryente. Okay lang kung ang tubig ay walang sindi. Okay lang kung nadyang tawag ang ulam. Ang gulay at pinagkakain lang yan. Basta presente ko ito ang iyong malaman. Everybody sing it! Why,
website hanggang 2 meters lang.
500 feet po.
500 feet.
Tapos, sir, kunin mo itong photo. Ako din po yung photo dito.
Ay!
Ay, sorry po. Okay lang po, sir, kasi kaya-kaya.
Gumagana pa rin?
Gumagana pa rin, sir. So, ganyan na po kayo, sir.
Ayan po, kitang-kita dito.
Kita po nga pala.
Kitang-kita, walang problema.
Okay, so, sir, gamitin ka ng photo, sir.
Magkano po ba yan? Magkano po ba yan?
Murang-mura lang po, sir. 16,000 na lang po, sir. Tapos, kung mag-pre-order po kayo, meron po kayo pa. Pwede po kayo manalo ng Rolex.
Pwede pa na yung Rolex. Ano, okay, huli yan.
Okay na po.
Okay ah. Patry mo kay Melania. Patry mo kay Melania.
Try it out. Try mo. Ayaw na dyan na.
Kaya dito, baka isipin nila ano to eh. Fake phone eh. O sige, dito totoo phone. We have a member from the media. Wow! And then please take it out. Please take it out.
Smelling.
Oh, it still works.
Ito try natin.
Di wag! Okay na, okay na. Panamukha po natin sa Kevin Yu. Thank you so much. Tugtog na yan.
Everybody sing it! A little bit louder.
Okay, so uwi na. Time check is 11 ng gabi. Hindi pa rin tapos yung party. So, pero uwi na ako. So, that's it for this vlog. And don't forget, if you're gonna order one of the toughest phones in the market for 2025, it has to be Honor X9C 5G. It's available and this price is 16,999 pesos. There's a lot of freebies that's available, so get it now and pre-order now, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, please like and subscribe, and see you.